Hi, I'm Dr. Marc Duperré, aesthetic plastic surgeon at the Visage Clinic in Yorkville, Toronto. Visage represents quality, safety, vision, commitment, haute couture, aesthetic results, and excellence in customer service. You can feel it and see it in everything we do. You can feel it and see it with everyone working at Visage. You can feel it also and see it in our beauty embassy design. Welcome to Visage Clinic. Our mission at Visage Clinic has always been to develop tailored, customized, and innovative solutions for the most diverse requirements. Every person is unique, has different wishes, and a very personal ideal of beauty. The Visage experience showcases the finest designs, materials, and craftsmanship, plus state-of-the-art innovative technology with the aim of creating a bespoke aesthetic feel, welcoming ambiance of sumptuous cocoon comfort that takes the guest experience to the next level. Our services reflect that. In the field of aesthetics, we offer more than 300 procedures to men and women, from injectables to advanced skincare, to the latest in laser technology, non-surgical fat reduction, vaginal rejuvenation, to all plastic surgical procedures. All of those developed to meet the highest safety standards. La précision du geste, the precision of the hand. I see my plastic surgery work as art, artistry, and craftsmanship. As a French bread maker will make love to the dough, as the Italian nonna will shape her pasta with her fingers, and as the blacksmith will tame his hot Japanese knives, passion is key at Visage Clinic. Plastic surgery is a combination of science, art, and techniques. I use several principles shared by the Renaissance Grandmaster when recommending and evaluating my patients, such as the rules of thirds and fifths, the Auger curve, the very crucial relationship between chin and nose, chin, cheek and cheek, cheek and jaw angle, the 45-55 proportion in breast aesthetics, and the very important Fibonacci sequence, the golden ratio, or the divine proportions. Visage's design is modern with an old classy and warm European customer service where nature is represented everywhere. A contemporary look with high recognition with love for quality, craftsmanship, and artisanship. Elegance, details, impeccably clean. Like any craft, a great discipline such as plastic surgery is about profound knowledge, dedication, passion, and experience. I train at McGill University where, after the teaching of Sir William Osler, I developed my skills of listening and taking care of patients. It is at McGill that I graduated with a gold medal in the Faculty of Medicine. I then studied aesthetic, plastic, and reconstructive surgery at the University of Toronto, where rigor and techniques have reached the pinnacle in the field. I'm also blessed to have stood on the shoulders of plastic surgery giants during my fellowship years, those years spent abroad after my specialty training, when I decided to visit the very top experts in face, breast, body, and fat grafting. The Dr. Daniel Marchak, Sylvain Pétoin, Nathalie Bricou in Paris, Dr. Gilbert Ayache, also in Paris, Dr. Bruce Connell in California, Dr. Patricia Wexler in New York City, and the famed Professor Ivo Pitangui in Rio de Janeiro. As the Canadian leading institute for all beauty, Visage offers haute couture aesthetic results in a boutique-style environment with unequaled Ritz-Carlton white glove service. At Visage Clinic, we are ladies and gentlemen, serving ladies and gentlemen. This motto exemplifies the anticipatory service provided by all staff members. Coco Chanel a dit, la beauté n'a pas d'âge. Beauty has no age, said Coco Chanel.